Replacing the key fob battery in your 2020-2023 Nissan Sentra is a simple DIY task using a CR2032 battery. You'll know it's time when the range decreases, responses become intermittent, or a key battery low warning appears on the dash. This process works identically across all 2020-2023 models. By doing it yourself, you can save money compared to dealership service costs. A minor software optimization was introduced in late 2024, improving battery efficiency by up to 10% by optimizing signal transmission. Keep in mind this battery replacement is considered a beginner-level repair. First, slide out the emergency key from the fob to reveal a seam. Use a flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the fob back together. If your fob doesn't work after the battery replacement, simultaneously press and hold the lock-unlock buttons for 5 seconds while within range of your vehicle to reprogram it. Remember to avoid static electricity during the replacement. The process should only take 2 to 5 minutes.